What's up, guys? My name is Prince Sebapu. Welcome to my channel, Limbobo Bus. So, in today's episode, I want to bring to you ways in which you can make money. If you're not employed and you want to make money in South Africa, there are many ways. Actually, there are many ways that you've been ignoring. So, due to COVID-19, we see that many people are getting retrenched. And another thing, they are confused what they're gonna do. What is it that they can do to survive, to continue surviving and to continue providing for their families. So I was in town, I think on Friday this week. I met this gentleman. The guy proposed that he cleans my car. So he saw some scratches on my car, so he decided that he wants to remove them with some scratch remover. So I'm going to show you that guy at the end of the video. But today, here is the list of the things you can do to still survive. No matter it looks so low, to some people it looks so low. If you're having a degree or some qualification, you'll think that people will think that you are struggling or you are poor. But I'm encouraging everybody to try it. So here's the list. Okay, so number one thing that you can do, guys, is selling magwinya or scones. I saw some guys making biscuits as well. So let's see let's break down the things you need to make magwinya. Number one, you need the flour. 5 kg flour costs around 40 bucks or 50 bucks. And then you need a yeast, maybe two yeast sachets. You need sugar, you need salt, maybe a bit of butter just to spice things up, to make your magwinya so unique. So when I'm talking about magwinya, I'm talking about fat cakes. In some other countries they call them in different names, but in South Africa we call them magwinya. So 5 kg of flour normally makes 100 magwinya. So which means you are guaranteed 100 bucks out of around 60 bucks of ingredients. So that's a lot of money. Then to make many baguettes, you can just buy a big flour, 10 kg flour, then maybe make even 200 bucks per day. 200 bucks per day is 1,000 rand per week. So think about it, guys. That's number one. Number two, I saw guys wash cars in the parking lots. So when people park cars, they'll just approach you and say, can I wash your car? And they charge around between 10 bucks to 30 bucks. It makes them a lot of money, and sometimes it's very convenient for most of the guys, because if you're in a hurry going somewhere, you don't have time to go and park your car at the car wash for an hour. So this is very convenient for the guys just to wash it outside to make it look presentable. Maybe if you're going to a very important meeting, your car will be clean. So other things that one can try, that's number two. So let's go to number three. Number three, I saw women stocking vegetables and selling them in the streets. They've been doing it for years and they make a killing. I once spoke to this lady. She told me that she makes around 500 bucks per day. Just imagine, 500 bucks per day. Some of you guys having qualifications don't even make that money per day. So how they do it is that when it's around 8 o'clock, when the taxis are not busy, they book one taxi and go to vegetable market. Some cities normally have fruit and vegetable markets. They go there and stock lots of vegetables and fruits, erect their stalls somewhere in the corner in town or Kasi, and then they sell them. So I know a lot of guys that went to university because of that money. So that's one of the things. I think that was the third thing to do. Okay, one other thing is making acha. So acha is I cannot say it's a salad, but acha is you know acha, guys. Who doesn't know acha? You always consume acha. So it is made of mangoes, if you didn't know. So they take green mangoes. I think the process is that they put them in water and then they close the container. Then it is like they become so sour. When they are sour, they spice them up and then mix them with oil. So if you can find someone that produces mangoes, or you can find someone that already produces that green stuff, then you can just buy spices and oil. So I had people make a killing on acha, so selling acha. So you can try selling acha too. That's the fourth thing. The fifth and last thing you can try doing. Another thing is one can try the electronic way of doing things. I always advise people to start Facebook pages, hobby pages. You can just create a Facebook page and post about the things that you like. Like you can just choose one of your hobbies. It can be sport, it can be graphic design, it can be music, it can be anything that you like. You'll be amazed to find that there is similar people like you that like the same hobby. So they'll start liking that page. Eventually your page is saving lots of people, and then you start charging people for advertising on the page. So the reason I'm saying this is because I'm having a Facebook page that is saving about 12,000 graduates, engineering graduates in South Africa. So if I want to sell that page now, I can sell it. Already I'm charging people to advertise on that page. They don't advertise for free. It's my page. Or you can start a YouTube channel like this one and grow slow. But eventually one day, if you're consistent, you'll make money out of it. So guys, those are the 5 things I wanted to share with you today. Don't let anything stop you from hustling. Hustle. Tenders are not the only solution. Hustle, start something and like it. So you can start with those simple things, raise money and grow. You see Ndadola checkers, the guy that was hustling, removing scratches on my car. He was using this special polish of his that he didn't want to disclose his name. So I understand it is his trade secret. So here it is. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Cheers. So lirindele diangana discret chiki ngina lana.
Khona le dia fapana mara lo tona ka go botsa lino na wa ba go ere.
Awa graore le na gre le tsbaina le vitsa kala lena. Le ga nompo tsa kala lena le vitsa polish or le vitsa.
Ke scratch.
Na ke no nya ga re khona go gatisha.
Ke scratch remove.
Scratch remover. Okay.
Ke thusha mo uthujo kolo yen tsoka e black ka e tshwe. Oba e tshwe ka e tala.
Yeah.
Aga. Ina bere
e thusa chila jena. O shala go le bright.
O shala go le gabu.
Okay, ke yona shiga mo. Le sore ka mo plastic nga mo.
Ya tswele.
Yeah.
Aga.
All right, no. La re thusa wala. Ke gole go rela ke ra ke ne chalete ore. Awa ke tla go riela mohlaone le yona. O tla mpha.
Ke mokita na ntwa mofuta.
Ya wa le tsaba business. A le re ka gore motho o tshonne. Ra bile a le ne taba le.
Awa re mo go ba re ga o butsi ka go bona tshwe.
Le bile ga o butsi. Ana ke a leboga ke tsena re motlhako wa moka wa ke le fa le nna. Ke tsaba gore monna la sala nthusa.
Awa ke a belela go. Sorry, ke
jere bende mola.
Ke a buele. Tamputa. Or na nya ka.
Ore ga bua.
A go nthe ya tsona.
Ya jo.
Ke santereng. Yona ke magona jotlhe.
Magona jotlhe ne. Ke bona gore e thoma go fapana jalo.
Ya.
Sala ka no go bola ke ke tsena mo.
Ka ga. Ya, ke di e sara pentengwe ya go tia guru ga e tlogo ka pele.
E tlogo nne. Plus ke tsibia ke re ke idona.
Ya.
Ke ja go letela tsi.
Danki.
Ke le mona ke re ke a tsena ya gore ya bua.
Ya ga tsana lo wena.
Moy.
Ya
busha ke moy.
Ya o bushisa wa.
Mara ke gata gore a tseba ke le busy man a le mele tlala la rene tlala. Le ria mano.
Ka tjatsi le lengwe re tla gona go phela.
Ya dile lengwe le tlo ba la ba ga botse.
Ra gona go. Ke be nya ka gore tlo. Ntore ga edisha.
Ke senga no ntšha yena nne. Senga.
O ba wa tsaba re ga edira. Ke a itlotsa wa tsamaya.
Ka go tsena ka area.
Gore tsame
ke kwelela. Nna ke tla fitla ka area.
Nna ka ona mkhono mbona go dira ka gona. Wa go sutla wa edi. Le ka metsi ga e gane.
A e gane.
Awo.
Ene ke bona ba le ka one man.
Ka metsi.
A isa isha dihlong gape isha dihlong. Ke no se re greba.
Yeah.
A ke a leboga.
Thank you.
Thank you.